So we're having a major snowstorm here at the cabin. It's been kind of snowing a little bit weekly all day today, last 5-6 hours, and now it's just decided to open up and start dumping on us. It is coming down big time. About 4:30 right now, so it's kind of getting dark, so I wanted to have this flashlight here for perspective so you can see exactly how much snow is coming down. This is the heaviest snow that I've ever experienced so far here. Getting hit with a major snowstorm right now. The cabin is nice and warm and comfortable, so snowstorm at the cabin. First big one of the year.